Last class we saw that how to add columns, correct? So we'll repeat it again for who people, the person who joined today, the first who today is first class. For them also, I'll explain it again. The alter command is a DDL command to modify the structure of existing table in the database by adding, modifying, renaming, or dropping columns. Okay, so here we are going to add a new column, n number of column. We are going to modify the data type or the size of the data type, renaming the column. Okay, renaming the column or the table using alter command, or dropping the column using the alter command. We can drop also. Uh, we can drop the column also in a table, in existing table, I mean to say, using alter command. This constant things using alter command we'll see later. Okay, important actions using alter command will be like this. Whatever I told you that we can add n number of columns using alter command, we can add n number of columns using alter command. Okay, in existing table, rename columns and table. We can use alter command in renaming a column as well as renaming a table name also. Okay, so another one is what? We can rename our column, existing column in existing table, and we can rename the table name also. Okay, we'll see one by one what are the features are there. Delete columns. If you want to delete the columns or drop the column, then also we can use alter command. Using alter command, we can drop the columns also from the existing table. Change the data type. You can change the data type also using alter command in existing table. Data type and length you can change using alter command. We'll see first. Already we have discussed in last class. Just explaining again. Okay, if you want to add n number of columns, then you can use n number of columns if you want to n number of columns if you want to add in a existing table, then you can use alter command. So this is the syntax to add n number of columns. Okay, n number of columns means what? Column 1, column 2, column 3, column 4, column 5. So when you will be adding a column, no, you have to give a column name as well as data type and size. Okay, so these columns will be get added to your existing table. If you want to add single column, then this syntax will work out. Alter table name, add column name, data type, size. Alter table name, add column name, data type, size. Okay, so these two will be applicable to add columns in a table, existing table. Already which table is having? The tables will be there in a database. So last time we have created a table. Anyone remember? What table we have created, guys?
Person table.
Person or employee?
Employees.
Employee.
So these are the, how many are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So we have added, I guess, 4 columns we have added. New columns. In last class, like I'll show you DSC and then employee. Can you see, guys? From till here we have created the table. I'll show you the table also, and we'll do one thing. We'll add a new column only. We'll add new columns only. Consider that the existing table, what we have, this employees table. Now I want to add one single column. What we'll do? Single column. So let's make it address. Address office will make it here, this one. Okay, address office column we are going to add here, single column. So this is the syntax to add single column. Alter table name, add single column name and their data type and then length. So when you will run it, this will be added to your existing table, this existing table. Didi. Okay, so if you'll see now, address home will be added. Can you see, guys?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so same thing. You can add multiple things. Like let me add office. What is that?
Location.
Location only you add it. Location. Okay, and then city, make it as a country. Country is there? No, no. Country. Then pin code you make it as a mobile number.
Other number.
Mobile number you make it. So if you want to add 3 columns, you can add 4, 5, 6, 10 columns also. There is no problem. So it's already in a structure, and last class we have finished it. So I'm explaining again for the new people. So table employee altered. Now if you check the structure of this, you'll be able to find out how many got added. This latest 3. Okay, and this one, the one column what we have added. So total 4 columns we have added today. So this is your add command. This is your add command. Add a column using alter command. Any doubt in this? Anyone?
No, sir.
This is second time we are doing. Then next one will be your renaming a column. Okay, how to rename a column, or like let's see what topic are there. Dropping a column. Okay, how you drop the column in a existing table? When you have existing table, consider that employee is existing table we have, correct? We have employee is existing table. So this many columns are there. This many columns are there. If you want to drop some of the column, how can we drop it? So using alter command, you can drop the columns. Using alter command, you can drop the columns. If you want to drop the column, you can use alter command and you can drop the column. Like if you want to drop single column, no, this is the syntax. Alter table name, drop column name. Alter table name, drop column name. So you have to mention a single column name. If you want to drop single column, then this will be the syntax. This will be the syntax. Okay. Alter table name, drop column name. Okay. If you want to drop multiple column, alter table name, drop column name 1, column name 2. Okay. Column name 1, column name 2. So column name 3 also you can make it. But if you'll observe here in both the query, so what is common in this one?
Table name.
Alter table and drop is a common.
No, which is not there in both the, like, what is the difference between these two query?
Table name.
Column.
Table name.
Column, not drop column.
Drop column.
Why? Because we are reading only single column. That's why they did.
Column, sir.
Column.
No.
This one. When we are dropping a single column, no, we are mentioning column. When we are dropping multiple columns, we are not mentioning single column keyword, and as well as we are keeping this column in inside the bracket. So this is the major difference. This up to here, no, everywhere it's the same only. Each alter command will have the same, this one. Alter table name, it will be same only. Okay. So here when you want to add, you have to mention add. Here when you want to drop the column, you have to mention drop column. Okay. So let's see how to drop the existing column from existing table. Okay. So we have syntax for that. We have some query for that. Okay. From the same table. Why I am using this? Because if I'll type everything, no, it will take time. So that's why people are saying that how will you manage to complete the full course in a 1 month or 35 days? Because I'm not typing the columns, so we'll be able to finish the things in time only. So what is there in this one? Which column will be dropped, guys?
Address.
Yes, sir.
Address column will be dropped from the list. Which one? This one? So when we'll run this, no, only one column will be dropped, that is address. So alter table name, drop column name. What is the column name we have? Address. So when you'll run it, so table employee altered, you should see the structure, you will not find address column. Can you find, guys, address? Simple address.
No.
Yes, sir. No, sir. There is no address code.
So it's got dropped. Next one will be, if you want to drop multiple columns, then what you will do?
We have
Alter
to
table.
use
Yeah.
brackets.
Yeah. Multiple columns inside the bracket and remove the column. We don't have to mention for the multiple column keyword. We don't have to mention. Okay. So when you will run this, how many columns will be dropped, guys?
Two. City and pin code.
2 columns, city and pin code will be removed from the table.
City and pin code will be dropped. So it is table name altered. Okay. So let me see. Let me show you that what is the new. So we have pin code and city here in an old structure. If we'll get new structure, then will not have city and pin code. Can you find, guys? Can you are you able to find it?
No.
Just city,
Yeah.
pin code.
Yes, sir.
Those 3 columns have
Sorry, someone was saying something.
Yes, for single table date, single column, we have to mention column.
Yeah, when you are dropping single column, no,
Okay.
you have to mention column keyword.
Okay.
When you are dropping multiple columns, you don't have to mention column keyword.
Okay, sir.
And you have to keep your columns inside the bracket. Is it clear, everyone? Anyone did not understand, raise your hand. I'm ready to discuss more. Everyone, okay? Don't if you do not understand, let me know. We'll explain it again. No worries in that. I have lots of energy, okay? Okay, guys. So if you are if you don't have any doubt, let's move to the next. It's all easy only. Now we are going to renaming a column. If we want to rename a column in an existing table, if you have considered that you have a table, employee is a table, and you want to rename some of the column into that. Consider that this is the current table and columns are there in your employee table. This is the employee table columns. Employee table is an existing table, and these are the existing column name. Let me brush it and then run it again. So which column you want to drop, guys? Sorry, rename. Which one you want to rename? So if you want
mobile
to rename
number.
yeah, phone number to mobile number or something, you can rename it. Whatever the column you want to rename, you can rename it. It will be saved permanently. It will be not like temporary. It will be saved permanently. If you want to rename a column name, we can use alter command to rename a column name. Using alter command, we can rename a column name. Using alter command, we can rename a column name in existing table, and also existing column name we can rename to new name. Alter table name common in all the syntaxes. Okay. Alter table name, rename is a keyword, then column, old column name. Okay, old column name to new name, old column name to new name. Syntax is clear, guys?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir. It's clear.
So alter table name, rename, column keyword. You have to remember this one. Rename column. Okay. Then old name, whatever the old name is there, to new name.
Can you modify the multiple column in one single
You
shot?
cannot do multiple column rename. Only one single column you can rename. Okay. You try removing the column, how we have done for the dropping a column. Okay. Just a second, guys.
Sir, renaming a table.
So today my plan is to complete up to DML. Okay. So 8:45 will give you 2-minute break. So till then we'll finish all these things. Okay. Whatever the things are remaining. So renaming a column. We'll see some of the example on this. How to rename a column, existing column to new name. Okay. So now if you'll observe here, alter table name, rename column. What we are doing here, guys? Pin code we have here in our
Pin code to zip code.
pin code to zip code. Do we have pin code column here?
No, sir.
No. So address, which one we supposed to? Address office will make it, address home will make it address.
Yeah.
You can copy like this, paste it, okay, and then address. You can make it as an address. Simple. So what we are doing here, we are renaming this column, existing column, to a new name, a shortcut name or more easy name we are giving. What will happen?
Sir, I have one doubt.
Yeah, just let me complete and then you can ask.
Okay, sir.
Okay, now you see it's got renamed.
Address.
Okay, this is got renamed. If you'll see the structure of the table, your address home will be changed to
Address.
address. Whoever is having doubt, let me complete and then you can ask. Okay, so address, got it.
Okay.
Next one, which column you want to change?
Mobile number to phone number.
Phone number already there. Phone number to mobile you want to change?
Yes, yes. Okay, okay.
Phone number to mobile number. Mobile.
Sir, there is a phone number and also mobile number also there, no?
That
The
is
phone number where, sir?
Other
where
number.
to mobile number we have. Anything you can give. We are not inserting data, correct? We are learning here how to do it. Any data type you can assign. No worries in that.
Email to Gmail.
The phone number to mobile number we are changing. So if you run it, your phone number will change to mobile number.
Can we change the data type also along with the column name?
Sorry.
Can you change the data type also along with the
Yeah. That
column?
next topic will come.
Okay.
Phone number to mobile number. Why is not taking? Acha. This. Let's see. Okay, it's taking. We have not terminated it. Why it was showing? Because we have not terminated it. So it was taking up to here. So either you make it comment or you terminate that one. So all table name altered. If you'll see the structure of now, a phone number will change to mobile. Clear, guys? Yeah, now you can ask your doubt.
Sir, we can change the column name from numerical value to character value.
Numeric value to data type you mean to say, correct?
Yeah, sir.
That will next week will come.
Okay, sir.
later. I feel it's a little bit bigger. It's creating column. So next one will be, we are going to change the table name. Okay, next one we are going to name the rename the table name. Using alter command, we can rename a table name also. Using alter command, we can rename a table name also. Okay, alter table name, rename to new table name. If you want, whatever the employee is a table, no. If you have an employee is a table, if you want to change to new name, you can do that also. Employee to new name, new table name also you can get.
We won't change the rows column, rows column. We are not changing, sir. We can't
Change.
able to change the rows.
It's got changed, no? Mobile. Phone number to mobile is got changed, no?
Column is there, but rows is not changed.
Row, why you want row? This is only what we have. If you see the latest one, so your now you see phone number become the mobile. We are not going to change the row. This is the columns. We have not inserted any record yet. So in today we learn that how to
Okay.
insert data. Okay. Got it?
Got it.
Yes.
Okay, so rename table in a database. Using alter command, we can rename a table name also. If you want to rename existing table to new table name, that also possible in using alter command. Alter table name, rename to new table name. Okay, new table name. Already you have given the old table name here. Alter table name, rename to new table name. You have to pass new table name here. Another way to rename your column name, simple, without alter, rename old table name to new table name. Both the things will work to change your table name. Let's see some of the query in this. Okay, so we have some setup query like if you want to change your employee table to employee new or whatever the new name you want, you can change it. Employee to this employee new, I want to change it. So this is the query for that. Alter table name, rename to employee new, or what name you want, guys. Employee 1, 2, 3.
Okay, sir.
So table employee altered. Now if you run old table, select a star from employee. Let's see what is what error we are getting. So table or view does not exist. We are not able to run it. We are not able to run because table name got changed. So which table, if we'll take new table name, then only we'll be able to get the record. Now see, now this new table name only, it's working. So this is the alter
It
command.
won't take integers, sir.
Which integers?
1, 2, 3 are given no table name. That time it's not taken. No. Employee 1, 2, 3.
Yeah,
You are
but
given the new name, no, sir.
yeah, new name. New name is taking.
Okay, okay.
New name we are running, but old name when we are running after renaming, it is not taking old name. See, old name is there. Select a star from old name. What it is saying, table or view does not exist.
Okay, sir. Clear.
When we run new name, it is showing that select a star from, and now your name, this name is changed to this name. Okay. So this is the using alter command. You can change the table name also. Now, next one, if you want to rename, without alter command, if you want to rename a old table name to new table name, no, that is also possible. Okay. Now our table name is what? This one. If you want to change,
Employee 1, 2, 3.
if you want to change to old name, then or you say XYZ, XYZ. So what will happen, guys? Employee 1, 2, 3 will change to
XYZ. employee
XYZ.
Let's remove this one for more clarity. Table rename. If I'll run this one, what will happen, guys? See?
Show error.
Table view does not exist.
Next. Okay, guys. So this table name, whatever the old name was there, no, we changed employee 123 to XYZ. Now new name is what for table? XYZ. So when we'll pass XYZ, then we'll get all the details. Got it? You any of the table you take and we'll rename the from the existing table name. Let's take M and N. Okay, M and N. So let's take how many records are there in M and N table. Select a star from M. So 3 records are there. What do you want to change? Rename M to new M, something like this. Is it correct? Okay.
Okay, sir.
Yes, it is okay.
So table rename. Now you run it. What is saying? Table or view does not exist. New name is what? New M. New underscore M. Got it? Clear?
Sir, all these commands are temporary or permanent?
Permanent.
Like,
All DDL commands are permanent.
okay.
All DDL commands are permanent. Like what are the things we have learned? Create command, drop command,
Drop command.
alter command. Then next one will be truncate command. All 4 are auto committed. Permanently it will be saved. The moment you will run the query, it will be saved permanently.
So, sir, these changes are not done in left side.
Sorry, your voice going to this. Can you repeat once again?
These changes are not showing.
Your voice is low. Can anyone can hear us? Hear him?
No, sir.
Now am I audible to you?
Yeah, you talk properly. Maybe you are talking from far from your mic or something.
Okay, might be there is a mic issue.
Now it's coming. Tell now.
I'm saying these changes are not done in M table. Actually, it's showing by M and both name are showing. M is not showing new M.
See the table, old table, existing table name was what earlier? M.
M.
Okay.
Correct.
So now we have changed M to what? New underscore M.
New M. Correct.
So previously we were able to get the record in M table, correct? Now your M
Right.
table name changed to new M using
Right.
rename.
Right.
Okay.
Yeah. So I just want to know these name will be exist in M table or not? Means the if I see right, this will be changed or not?
This will change, no? You say disconnect and then connect again.
Okay. If I disconnect and connect, then it will be changed. Okay,
Yes.
I got it.
Okay. So let's move to the next.
We can just simply refresh that schema.
You can refresh the schema. It will reflect the name. Okay.
I got it.
So next one will be your, where it will, modifying data type and size. If you want to modify a data type and size into existing table and
Hello,
in existing column, yeah, tell me.
sir, from live skill, what will be the command? Select new name from each of the employees. What will be the
You have to create table there, I guess. You have to create a table in HR schema. Then only you will be able to do that. You cannot change for employees table, I guess. Whatever the inbuilt are there, wait for till
then what will be?
morning 8 o'clock. He will help you to install the software in your laptop. Is it okay? 8 o'clock you will be available?
Okay, try it. But I cannot practice in live skill. Okay? Really?
MySQL, you try it. Whatever the live SQL is there, no, you try it there. Whatever the query I'm showing it, you type it or you check in the notes. What is shared in the drive? It's already there in your drive.
Okay.
Okay. So next one is modifying data type and size. Okay. Using alter command, we can modify multiple columns of a table. Using alter command, we can modify multiple columns of a table. Multiple columns of a table. What is that? So what is the new name we have? What was the new name for the table?
Employee 123.
XYZ we change, no?
XYZ, yes. Correct.
Okay, let's
Select
do the-
star from employee 123 and petal sir.
we'll make it old only. Okay. Now this is done. Your table name is changed. Okay. So if you'll see the table structure, no? Table structure of employee table. So what you will see here? You see employee ID number 38. If you want to change the data type, you can change it. If you want to change the data type where to number, that also you can do it. If you want to change it 20 to 50, 100, you can do that also. If you want to change last name where to number or something, you can do it. If you want to change it, this one 100, 200, that also possible using alter command, modify keyword. Okay, using modify keyword, you can do that. So using alter command, we can modify multiple column of a table, multiple columns of a table in the sense, 1 column, 2 column, 3 columns. You can modify the data type and length of a table. Data type and length of the table, you can modify it. Alter table name, modify. Till here, observe guys, everywhere it's the same. Don't confuse. Okay. Up to here, it's the same. Then keyword comes, whether it's a rename, drop, add. Okay, don't confuse. Till here you can remember in interview. After this you have to remember, this is the common only. Alter table name. If you want to drop, then drop. If you want to rename, then rename will come. If you want to modify, then modify will come. Okay, it's simple only. Don't confuse. People getting confused in alter command. 4 types of 5 types of alter command. Okay, using alter command, we can modify multiple columns of a table. Alter table name, modify column 1, column type, column 2, column type, column and column type. Okay. So this is the syntax. This is the syntax for the alter command. This is the syntax for the alter command. Okay, let's see some of the example on it. Okay. Then we'll go for the truncate command. Truncate is easy only. Now, if you will observe here, how many columns we are renaming it, guys? First name, what is the data types and length? First name,
Where can
50.
and where
20.
20.
So what
sir.
we are making here? 50.
50.
So it will be changed to 50. Okay. See, table employee altered. If you see the structure now, previously it was 20. Now it's changed to 50. Okay. So mobile number, mobile, where to 25 is there. If you want to make it 100, then
Here varchar 2 is data type, sir.
yeah, here is a data type. This is the length. This is data type and this is length. Guys, please practice every day till 10th. If anyone willing to prepare faster, from 10th January onwards, you will have lots of call. Okay, lots of calls will be there from 10th or 15th January. So if you will be able, if you want, if you are free, full day, full night, if you are having holiday in office or something like that, please sit and do practice. Okay, and complete full syllabus in 10 days. If you want, like, previous class recording, I'm ready to give. I'll support like anything. Just give your best.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Mobile varchar to 100. Okay, so if you run this, your this thing will be modified. Now you see where it is. Email, mobile. It's become 100. So this is what. Okay, guys. So just practice. Okay. Then let me know if you'll have any doubt tomorrow evening class.
Sir,
And, yeah, tell me.
here you have to modify n number of columns, sir.
You that is your assignment.
Once you have to show me, sir.
Once I have to show me.
Please.
Simple only, no. Take this one. Okay. Take salary number. 38 already maximum is there. So let's make it salary. Salary where 200 and take it. Address. Address how much? 100. We'll make it 200. Okay. So what we are doing here, guys, salary we are making it where 200. Okay. And address we are making as where 200. Okay. So table employee altered. Now you see the structure of this. So salary where 200. Okay. Salary before what it was? Number. Salary was number, correct?
38.
Yes, sir.
Now it's changed to number 38. Number 38 changed to where 100, where 200. And address was where 200. Now it's changed to address where to 200. Clear, guys?
Yes, sir.
I'll
Yes, sir.
paste in a chat if you want. If you are using a laptop, you copy and paste it somewhere. Okay. Okay. So next one will be truncate command. So what truncate command do, no? Truncate is used to delete all the rows from the table and free the space containing the table. So we what drop command do, guys? Drop or table name. What it do?
Whole table drop.
Whole table will be deleted, including data and structure.
Data and structure both are deleted, sir.
But when you
Whole
use
table deleted, including
Yes,
table.
sir. Completely delete the both, sir.
yes.
Records in the table and also structure.
That is for drop, like if we use drop table and structure also will get deleted.
Okay, so when you use drop command, no, what it will do, it will drop both the table structure and data. I have shown you in a previous class. When you use drop command, it will drop full table structure, including data also. Okay, full structure will be deleted, all this thing deleted, including data, it will be deleted using drop command, drop table name. But in truncate, what will happen, no? If you use truncate table name, no, only data will be deleted. Only data will be deleted. A structure will remain same only. This structure will remain same. The table, whatever the data will be there, no, it will be deleted. But structure will remain same. It will not change. A structure will remain same. Data only will be deleted. Truncate is faster. Okay, truncate is faster in deletions of your data in a table. Consider that one table is having 1 billion record. If you use truncate, no, it will be much faster than delete command. We have two things here. One is truncate, another is delete. Delete we are going to discuss next in next chapter. Okay, so truncate, what it will do, it will delete your full table data only. It will not delete the structure of the table. Okay, so and it is faster process. It is a faster process. You cannot use where condition in this. You cannot use where condition in truncate command. You cannot use where condition in truncate command. Just simple truncate table name. And this is a DDL command. The moment you will run, your table will be gone. Okay, you cannot retrieve it back. So whenever you do this, you be careful. When you will do truncate table name, your data will be gone, table structure will remain same, and it's auto committed. Okay, automatically it will be saved in permanently. Your data will be lost. Again, you have to insert the data. Truncate table is similar to the delete statement with no where clause. In delete, no, we are using where condition, but in truncate, we are not using where condition. In truncate, we are not using where condition. Where condition will be not used in truncate command. Where condition we are not using in truncate command. Remember, truncate is faster. Truncate is faster action to delete the data in a table. Truncate, using truncate, you can delete whole table data in a faster phase. Truncate command delete all the data from table, but table will remain same. Table structure will remain same. Table structure will remain same, but whole table data will be deleted. We'll see some of the example on this. So consider that which table you want to take from here. Let's take it N. Okay. How many records are there? Let's see. Select a star from N. So 3 records are there. If you what you like to delete the data from N table using truncate?
Truncate. Yes, sir.
Only truncate?
Truncate table.
Table name.
Table name. N.
Now see.
Okay.
Now we are able to see the data, no? Now you see. Gone. Table N truncated. Now see the table data. Can we see? But we can see table structure.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Oh, this is the difference.
Yes. Can you see the structure? But data will be gone. Let's take something like person.
Means in truncate, all the rows are deleted. In
All the rows
drop,
are deleted. Data is deleted.
and in drop command, all columns are deleted.
All columns, data structure, whatever, everything is deleted. Everything will be deleted. When you use drop table, no, everything will be deleted. I'll show you that also. Okay.
So then delete and truncate, I think it's the same, almost.
Delete and truncate almost same, but delete, no, we
Where-
are using where condition.
Where clause, yeah.
And truncate, you are not using where condition, but
Where
there is
clause.
a difference between some difference are there, 4 or 5 difference. We'll discuss in next
Yeah,
chapter.
okay.
Don't miss it. Okay. So now
Okay.
let's see in one. Okay, select a star from in one. Let me see we have data in this or not. We don't have data. Okay. Next, jet air reservation. Let's take this one. This is big. Okay. So we have some data, 3 data are there. Okay. Now if you'll use drop command, no, what will happen, guys? Above column also, record also will be deleted. Drop
Complete table will be
table
deleted.
and table name. What is the table name?
Jet
Air race.
If you'll run this one, the whole things will be deleted, including your structure and everything will be deleted. You want to run this one?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So now table jet air reservation dropped.
Yes, data deleted.
Data as well as structure also deleted. Now see, nothing will be there. Table only does not exist.
Okay,
Using
sir.
drop
That
command.
will delete complete table, na?
Complete table from the database, it will be deleted. Now consider that. Let's find out some different table. Persons, let me find out if the data is there or not. Person, no data. Person,
19.
many data are there. Okay, now we'll use truncate. Truncate, is it correct?
Table, sir. Truncate table.
Person 19. Okay. Now
Okay,
we have this one. Let's save this one data, and let's see the structure also. DSC person 19.
Sir, here DSC means what, sir?
Describe table.
Okay. Okay, sir.
So now we have described this table and we are having, these are the columns are there. This is the structure of the table. This is the structure of the table person 19. What is the data we have? We have this data. In person 19, we have this data. What is the structure? This is the structure of person 19. Okay. Now if I'll use truncate command, what will happen, guys? This data will be go off.
Data will be erased, deleted, and the structure will be there.
The structure will remain same. Now table person 19 truncated. Now you run this one. Are you getting anything, guys?
Sir,
Data
in drop, sir, in a drop table, suppose we drop the table, again we want to retrieve all the data.
You can't do it for the truncate and delete or truncate and drop. You cannot retrieve it back. The moment you have done it, finished.
Oh.
Now see, table structure is remain same, but data is deleted. Data is erased completely. It's a very fast process, truncate table. Any other doubt, guys? Any other doubt? Anyone? Everyone? Anyone confused, guys?
Sir, same, once again you have to explain, sir. Table 19, no, sir, by using drop command.
What
Can
is
you
the
explain,
confusion
sir?
in drop command? See, when you run this drop table name, whole table will be deleted. What are the things will be deleted? Table data will be deleted. Table structure will be deleted. Both the things will be deleted using drop command. But when you use truncate command, what will happen? Only table data will be deleted. Table structure will remain same.
Okay, sir.
Sir, in the drop table, suppose we drop the table, so then what is the use of that table?
No use. You don't want, you dropped it. You don't want table or view, you have dropped it. You have thousands of table in which 300 of no use. You just simply run drop table name. It will be deleted. You will be deleting the table. In one project, it will be there, no? Like they'll create thousands of table. Okay. So some of the dummy table also they will create during the project work. So while like, you know, audit and all, so they will tell that why these tables are there, what is the use of this table. In that case, what will happen? They will say that, okay, list out some of the table and we'll drop the table only from the database. So which table will be not used out of 1000 table in one project, they will drop it using the drop command. The table and data will be deleted. Okay, but truncate, what will happen? No, consider that 1 million record loaded to one table. XYZ table is there. 1 million record is loaded, but business did not satisfied with that data. Okay, so what they will do? You don't create the table again. Let it be the table structure remains same. You delete the data, modify the data, and reload it. Got my point?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Suppose in truncate command, suppose 5 rows, if we want only delete the 5 rows, then 10.
We'll be using next command, delete command. That we'll discuss later.
Okay.
Okay. Guys, clear?
Yes, sir.
Some assignment are there. You see this one, and from this course, from this chapter only, these are the questions are there. Okay. So you you answer this question by yourself and let me know. Okay, and then we'll start with the next chapter. Anyone is having any doubts, raise your hand, guys. If you are confused, raise me hand.
Sir, doubt is only thing, if you are teaching, it understand everything, but when we are doing practice, that time.
This is
It
if you are doing first time SQL queries, doubt will be there. Okay, if you have done 10 times also, no, before interview, you have to refresh it. Like not in database, Only thing is that you have to revise. If you have done 2-3 times in a database practice, and you understood that if we'll run this query, this output will get, then that's all. You don't have to do practice in your database. You just have to go through the document, whatever is there. Okay, add column. So you'll remember that if I want to add one column, then this is the syntax. And believe me, guys, we don't need to write 100% exact query in interview. If here and there, if they will think that, yeah, fine, he know that, and the student is, candidate is able to write the query, he is able to think in that way, that is fine. They will consider that you have knowledge on that. Okay, you have to 2-3 times only you have to do practice in a database, each topic.
Hello,
Then
sir.
remember
Hello.
all the queries, and then your theory part as well as query you have to remember through the document.
Hello, sir.
Yeah,
Sir, in interview, we have to write the complex SQL queries also. We have to write, sir.
it's a simple select queries only. You don't have to write DDL, DML in any of the project as a tester. Simple select
No,
queries will be
only
there.
at the time of interview, we have to write the complex SQL
We
queries.
are
At the
not
time of
going in
interview.
that much level. What type of interview now? We have done so much of into the demos. Okay, if you have any query, you call me. Getting my point? And what they will ask in interview, that we are going to learn after the completion of this one. When we'll have a mock interview, no, sorry, group discussion next week onward. In that we'll discuss more. Got my point? Anyone is
Yeah.
having any doubt, ping me, call me.
Hello.
Hmm.
Hello.
Yeah, tell me.
Yeah, sir. Sir, I have one doubt.
Hmm.
While using modify command, sir, I'm trying to modify data value 100 to 50.
100 to 50.
Yes,
Data
sir.
value or data type value?
Data type value.
What
In
is
that
the
same, sir, same column I have already, we have some data. That data is 100 characters. Is it possible to convert 100 to 50?
No, it's not possible.
Okay. Whenever columns is empty, then only we can able to alter.
In that case, you can increase to the higher level, but you cannot decrease. If your already data is there for 100 characters, then you are decreasing it to 50. 50, you can't do it.
Okay.
Either you can make it 200 or 150 like that.
Okay.
Okay, guys, so let's move to the next chapter. I'll give you 2-minute break, and then class will go till 9:50, 9:20. Okay. If any doubts related to jobs and all, sorry, I stopped you. If any doubt is there, let me call me and discuss with me. Okay. This 2 demo classes, we have discussed a lot of question on the job and then all these things. If you want, you can refer the things again. Hope everyone don't mind. If you have doubts related to the course topic, ask me 10 times. I don't bother. Just go through this one. Guys, mind is not blocked, no? If you want to take 2-minute break, 20:50 now. 20:52 will start. Or take it 5-minute break. 20:55 exact will start. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay, sir.
Yeah. Yeah, guys. So we are going to learn DML command. Okay, we are going to learn DML command, working with DML command. Okay, so what we'll do here? Everyone is there?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. The next chapter is DML command. So what is DML? What are the topics we are going to learn in this? What is DML command, insert command, update command, delete command? So we are going to see how to insert data in a existing table. Guys, go on mute if you're not talking. So we are going to see how to insert data when we have created a table, correct? If you want to insert some data, how to insert data, we'll see that. How to update data, in existing table, and already data is there. So how can we update it? How can we update it? Like if you have a 10 and you want to make it 20, then how can we do that? If your name is Ramesh, then if you want to make it Mahesh, how can you do that? Those are the things we'll see in a update command. In delete command, we'll see that how to delete data. It's same as truncate, but it will be little bit slower than truncate. And here we'll be using where clause. So all these things we are going to learn in this working example of insert, update, and delete command. Difference between truncate and delete command. Difference between truncate, delete command, and on and drop command we'll see. Okay, what are the difference between truncate and delete command? Very important, guys. What is the difference between truncate, delete, and drop command? These are the things. Just go through one by one, read it, try to understand it, then we'll explain you properly. Finished, guys? Finished?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Go through this. Completed, guys? Completed? Read this one. Like this, it is helping, guys. Like when I give you reading initially, and then we'll explain the thing, because you should be little bit familiar of the things.
Yes, sir.
Okay, guys. Read this one. Read this one. Okay, guys. So let's start with the DML command. So what are the topics we are going to cover as from the DML command? We are going to cover insert command, update command, delete command. We'll see some of the working example of insert, update, and delete command. We'll see difference between truncate and delete. We'll see difference between truncate, delete command and drop command. Okay. So these are the things we'll see. First of all, we are going to discuss about the DML command. So DML stand for data manipulation language. DML stand for data manipulation language. DML stand for data manipulation language. List of DML commander: insert, update, and delete. Insert, update, and delete. So there are three commands in DML: insert, update, and delete. So what insert command will do, if you want to insert data into a table, then what you will do, or you will write insert command. If you want to insert data into a table, existing table, then you'll use insert command. If you want to insert new data in a table, then you'll use insert command. So what is the syntax of insert command? There are two ways you can insert data. One way, if you want to insert all the column values, like these are the columns are there, no? If you want to insert all the values in these columns, in all the columns you want to insert values, then you will write first syntax. You don't have to mention the column name. Second syntax is what? When you want to insert some column only, like how many columns are there? 8 columns are there, but you want to insert only 4 column data. Only 4 column you want to insert data. Then you will write the second syntax. You have to mention the column name also here, which column you want to insert the data. Okay, and then values corresponding to this column. So there are two ways you can insert data in existing table. There is two ways you can insert data. You can insert data into existing table. One way is what? If you want to insert all the column data, okay, to all the column you want to insert data, like in one query only, you will write for person ID, first name, last name, address, city, email, salary, column, all the values you will write. So in that case, you will use first syntax. You don't have to mention the column name. You don't have to mention the column name. Just insert into table name values, and whatever the values are there, you have to write in an order wise only. You have to write in an order wise only. Specify both the column name. Okay, another method is that you don't want to insert in all the column data. To all the column, you don't want to insert data. Only we have a requirement that four column only we want to insert the data. So in that case, what you will do, you will use second syntax. Like you have to mention the column name, you have to mention the four column name, and then four column name corresponding data you have to mention. Same as it is, like column 1, what is the data, column 2, what will be the data for value 2, like this. Okay. Okay. So we'll see that insert into table name values, value 1, value 2, value 3, value 10, value 20, or how many records will be there, like that. Insert into table name column, how many column you want to insert data, that many value you have to mention here. So there are two ways. So we'll see one by one how to do that. Okay, so let's create the table and then we'll insert some of the data. Okay, both the things I'll show you. My target was to complete full DML, DML and the update command and delete command also, but I don't think so we'll able to make it. We'll do it tomorrow and then we'll move to next chapter, functions. So my target will be this up to this week we'll finish function as well as aggregate function. So function and then aggregate functions, these two till this Friday. Okay, then next week it will be over. By next week it will be SQL will be over. Then we'll move to the next. Okay, now you have a table. Okay, now you have a table person. Okay, we are going to create table called person. Just drop me a table. Drop table persons. Table person drop. Now we are going to create a table. So you know how to create table, correct? Create table name, create table name, person, create table person, PID, first name, last name, country, city. So these are the columns are there. So when you run this, the table will be created. Which table is got created, guys?
Persons. Person table.
Person table. Person table will be created. Let's see the structure of the table. What is this? DSC. What is the how to find the structure of the table?
Persons.
Now, are you guys able to write the queries, no, in database? Now you people are perfect. Who are doing first time? Anyone is struggling? You want a extra session for the doubt clearance, something like that? Anyone is struggling to write the basic queries, guys? Raise your hand who is struggling to write the basic queries. select queries or creating a table? Arindam, you are struggling. Viranj,
Yes, sir.
you are struggling to write select query also.
Yes.
Okay, where exactly you are struggling? Like select a star from table name or creating a table you are struggling.
Creating
Sasi,
a table.
Sasi, you are also struggling. What time you will be free, Viranj? Vinay?
Continue at 9:30.
Today 9:30 will be not possible. Tomorrow, can
Yes,
we
sir.
connect
Uh,
some 2 o'clock in
yes.
afternoon? 2,
Yes,
3
sir.
o'clock?
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Okay, sir.
So we'll do one thing with the same link. We'll connect if anyone want to, if you are struggling, let's connect and then you do practice whatever you are, we have done this one till tomorrow till 2 o'clock you do practice and then 2:30 or 3 o'clock we'll connect on the here only and we'll discuss what are the difficulties, initial difficulties you are facing. Till now you should be perfect in writing the basic query. Then we'll see that one. Okay, 8 o'clock join for the installation and then we'll connect at 3 o'clock. Okay,
Okay.
guys, now we have created a table called person. If you want to insert the data, so is it correct, guys? So how many columns are there? How many columns? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so 5 column. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 columns are there. So when we have mentioned all the column, do we have to mention the column name, guys? In detail level, we don't have to mention the column name. Is it fine? Because we are inserting full values. Okay, full values to each and every column we are inserting data. For each and every column we are inserting data. So we don't have to mention the column name. When you are inserting all the columns records data, then you don't have to mention here your column name. Okay, you can simply write and run it. One row inserted. Let's see what are the records are got inserted. Select a star from persons. Let's take 5 more minutes, guys. Okay. So one record got inserted. This one, guys, how many records we are inserting?
Second one.
5 record, 5 column, 5 record.
Yeah.
So do we have to mention this one? All columns we are inserting data, no?
Yeah.
Or not needed.
So we are removing it. But if you want, you can mention it. If you want, you can mention it. There is no harm in that. Okay. So third record also you will be able to insert. So 3 record got inserted. Fourth record also you can insert it. So fourth record also got inserted. Let's see. Fourth record is done. Okay. Next one is fifth record. So 5 record is done. Clear, guys? First syntax is over. Clear? First syntax is over.
Sir, in the first name, if we put a number, then it will give error.
Which number?
Suppose insert into persons PID, first name, last name, country, and city. Then in values, first name we put 5 number or 6 number. Then
It's
it will give
alphanumeric. Where cat2 is alphanumeric. It will not give error. Okay. It's a what is that? Alphanumeric value it will accept. Alphabet also, numbers also. Where cat2 will accept alphabet also, numbers also. Where it gone? Select a star from person. Got it?
correct.
But it will act like a string because you have mentioned under the single quote, no? So it will be like a string only.
Yes, thank you.
Okay. Let's insert without single quote. If you are anything you are mentioning under this one, no? Single quote, it will be like a string only or characters only. Let's see whether we are able to insert or not. So we are able to insert numbers also. Can you see, guys?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So this will be act like a string. This will be act like a number. Guys, do practice more. Okay. Next syntax will be out of 5 column, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 columns are there in this. Out of 5 column, I want to insert values in 3 columns only. In 3 columns only. So what we have to do? We have to mention the column name. We have to mention the column name. If out of 5 columns, if I want to insert only 3 columns value, then we have to mention what are the column we want to insert the data. What are the column we want to insert data? So those column name we have to mention. Okay, let's run it. One row inserted. Okay, now you can see the data. What will happen to other 2 columns, guys? What value it will populate?
Null
value will populate. Out of 5 columns, we have put only 3 columns. So other 2 values are blank. So instead of 2 column, 2 column value, it will be null values only. Can you see, guys? Null values. This is the last record we have done. So we'll do one thing. I'll revise it again tomorrow. Okay, you try it. You create a table, try to insert data. Try to insert data by referring my document. Okay, and try to do it both the way. Clear, guys?
Yes, yes.
Okay,
And
sir.
will
Tell me again null value.
Sorry?
Recording. Null value here, 8th one you are
8th one is
explaining.
null value. What do you want in this?
Can you repeat it again, sir?
If you
Why
want to
is
insert only limited column of data. Okay, so how many columns we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 columns there in this table. Okay, if you want to insert only 3 column or 2 column or 4 column, then in that case you have to mention the column name here. You agree with this? You are okay with this?
Okay, sir.
Then you have to mention corresponding column value also. So consider that we are out of 5 columns, we are inserting 3 column value. Okay,
yes,
so 3 column value we have inserted. What will happen if we
okay,
have not
the remaining columns are null values.
Yes, got
okay, thank you.
Okay, I'll explain it again tomorrow. We will complete this chapter and then we'll move to functions. Okay, guys, so practice more. Connect at 3 o'clock tomorrow. We'll discuss who is struggling with the basic query. Okay, if you are okay with the queries, you don't have to attend. You have to attend at 7:45 only. Okay, everyone, whoever not paid fees, please clear it. Okay, and if anyone is facing problem with the month and or something, you can drop me message. Okay, bye everyone. Take care.
Bye, Jayant.
Bye, sir. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Jayant, hi Jayant.
Thank you. Yeah, tell me.
Yes, actually I have one unrelated topic question. Can I talk with you later after this call?
Yeah, you call me or message me. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Thank you.
Anything or relate to outside of topics, outside of syllabus, you can call me anytime. You can message me anytime. Okay, guys. Don't worry on that. But related to topics only, you ask in a class. Bye, everyone. Take care.